Hi, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to make a mortar skateboard. You will need a the shape of a skateboard. You can make the front side any kind of logo you want. We put a Smart Science kit to show our channel. Motor with a motor holder, 4 wheels, 2 axles, 2 straws, the size like this, or maybe a bit bigger or smaller, a fan, battery connector, alligator clip because it acts like an alligator, snip. Yeah, that's all. So first, you also need a hot glue gun, and since you're using something that's super hot, you need your adult's help. So first, get your skateboard, which is not really a skateboard yet. See these 2 lines? This is the place where I'm going to stick the straws in. But before that, get your axles and stick them into the wheels. And there's a hole in here so you could stick the axle, like height. You might also need a parent's help for this. I managed to put the wheel into the axle. Repeat this with the other axle. Then get your hot glue gun. And then put the hot glue gun on the line you made in one of the lines. Okay. We glued both sticks on the line. Now get your axle with wheel and put them in the glue. In the straws, and then connect that with the other wheel. Oops. Here we go. Put the axle with the other wheel like this. Now, take your motor and then connect it here somewhere here using the hot glue gun. After attaching the motor, attach the fan to the motor. Then attach the battery somewhere to where the second axle is. Then, now to start the internet, you will need the battery holder. So first, get the battery holder. Make sure it's like this, the hexagonal on the circular and the circular on the hexagonal. Stick it here using adult's help. Here we go. And then to where the black wire is, connect that with the motor. Then get the alligator clip and clip it on the red wire. Then clip the other side of the alligator clip on the skateboard. Make sure the wire is somewhere in the skateboard so that it doesn't cause any drag when it goes. Put some tape. We used insulation tape on the wire so that they don't stuck on the wheels when the car is moving. Since the fan blades were a bit long, we had to tilt the skateboard to where the motor holder was. And last but not least, let's connect it. So first, put it all the way to the end of the table. Make sure the first skateboard's ready. Now, first, take the other end of the alligator clip and then just clip it onto the other end of the motor. You can see the fan pins. See that? Right when it reaches your end, just pull it back and then leave it. Kind of like a defining thing to use. So, this happens because of Newton's third law. An object in motion has an equal and opposite reaction. That means if any object has an action, like the fan that pushes the air backwards, it gives it a reaction, which pushes this forward. The way the force of the action is the same, however, the way the side which side is the action is directing is opposite. So the action of the first thing has the same force as the second thing. However, it goes in the opposite directions. That's why it says equal and opposite. Equal force, opposite direction. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Smart and Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.